If you've been following the used truck market for the past 6 months, you've no doubt seen some absurdly priced trucks. You can see here, I mean, these people have been throwing their F450s up for sale for $120,000, for $130,000, but all that is slowly changing. If we go over here, we have a 2022 F450 Platinum. It has 10 miles on it. So this thing is literally brand new. Of course, it's a um, Platinum, so it has all the bells and whistles. And this truck here is $108,000. Now that's quite a discount from the $120,000, $130,000 trucks we were looking at earlier, and it's literally the same truck. However, this one was just listed a little bit more recently, so I feel like we're really getting an updated price here. And if an F450 is too big for you, we've seen a lot of even F250s and F350s really go over sticker price. Here we have a 2022 57 miles King Ranch, 57 miles. It's a King Ranch package, fully loaded, um, quad beam headlights, power running boards, twin panel roof. This one even has some bigger aftermarket wheels on it, has the 360 cameras, all the options, $93,500. So that's a very fair price for this truck. If you want an F250, here we have another 2022 F450 Platinum for $105,000 with 45 miles on it. So if we look at the big trucks, the used truck market's definitely coming down. And then we have this really awesome sheet here. This sheet is auction results from Manheim. If you don't know Manheim, Manheim is the largest automotive auction in the United States. And so we can really get a feel for like where the market is, where the market's headed. And we can see that pretty much all these trucks in here, we have one for 107, that yeah, 107,000. They are pretty much the top of the market right now. There we had one go for 96,000 miles, or 96,000 with 12,000 miles. So the market is definitely softening on these newer trucks a little bit. We can see here. And then if we go here, this is something I have not seen in a long time, probably since 2020. We have a 2022 F250 Lariat. So not a King Ranch, not a Platinum or Limited, but still a very desirable truck. It has all the options that you could possibly want on a truck. It has the quad beam headlights, all the heated seats, steering wheel, and it's selling for less than MSRP. MSRP is $82,140. This price, $80,500. I cannot believe this, that we are actually having Ford Super Duties go for less than sticker price. That's unheard of. Or if you're okay with the truck having a couple more miles on it, here's a 2022 Platinum with 16,000 miles on it for $75,000. So we can see here that these prices are dropping very quickly. Um, but if you're looking to buy, that's not a bad thing. We can see here that, yeah, prices are really coming down. So why, if the price of trucks is really coming down, we have to understand why are the prices so high to begin with. So this all kind of started in 2020 when a lot of things shut down for reasons, and like Ford especially could not get chips. All big truck manufacturers suffered from it, but Ford especially could not get chips. However, they kept cranking their trucks out and just parked them on a field. And now when they can get chips, they're just pushing all those trucks out. Um, these trucks, you have to remember that we're looking at Lariat, King Ranch Platinum limited trucks. So these trucks do have all the bells and whistles, so lots of options do definitely jack the price up. We also have a high demand for these new, especially the F450s. These things can pull like 37,000 pounds, which is the best in class. Unless GMC took that back, they might have. So if everybody's running a hotshot truck or pulling a gooseneck for any reason, this is the truck you gotta have, man. You can put more weight on than any other truck. So yeah, there's a lot of demand. Then the other thing is, if you have not seen my other video where I spec'd out a King Ranch, the price increased on these Super Duties about $10,000. So that's gonna allow dealers, flippers to definitely like kind of jack their price up a little bit, because if you're going to order a new truck, you're going to be paying $10,000 more. Okay, so why are prices dropping? Prices are dropping because, simply put, there's more inventory. The chip shortage is slowly decreasing, and they're working around that. So they're pumping out new trucks every single day. Another reason why the market's softening a little bit right now is the 2023 Super Duties were released, and they are going to be coming out probably beginning of the year sometime here, probably quarter one is what I heard. So, all of a sudden you can get a new truck with more features. So people are just kind of hanging on to what they have until their new truck shows up. We also have the uncertain economy right now. Stock market's not doing so great right now, if you haven't noticed. So people are getting a little bit uneasy about that. Stock market's not quite as strong as it had been all year. And also, it's becoming cheaper to repair slash rebuild whatever you have rather than fork out $20,000, $30,000 over sticker price for a new truck. Certainly can't blame people for just wanting to fix what they have instead of paying way over sticker. So that's why the market's coming down. I think personally that it's going to keep coming down. I do not think that $20,000 or $30,000 over sticker price is reasonable for a truck. You have your very select group of people that can afford to pay that much. If you're now running a business, you're not going to be able to afford to pay that much over sticker, so you're just going to keep what you have. So I feel like, yeah, the people that are spending 140, 130, $140,000 on a pickup truck, um, I feel like they bought all the trucks they need now, and so I feel like that's definitely why the price is coming down, and I think it's going to continue to keep coming down. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is the truck market crashing, or is $140,000 F450s here to stay? Let me know. Thanks for watching.